nasty. Maybe it's more than one somebody, but at least somebody, something nasty. Good luck, everybody. All right, let's get this out of the way. Now, by far, you know, it feels like you should start with blasters, but I'm not. I'm going to do a mega. I'm going to do a mega first, and then we'll do some blasters. But I am starting with the mega box. And I'll have Saturday mornings posted sometime tomorrow evening. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We got the right amount of packs. We got the empty box. Let's get into it. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Nick is not in this one, Wise. He didn't cop up a squad in this one. But a lot of them were gone by the time I got on. Icky Woods, Hunter Renfrow, Jordan Battle for the Bengals, Silver Hollow, Aiden O'Connell for the Raiders. Not bad looking. That's headed to Matt, I believe. Another Raider, Jacorian Bennett on the blue. Devin McCourty and Mike Evans. Raiders pack. Raiders pack. Jacorian Bennett to start us out. And a nice little silver Aiden O'Connell. Slabbable. Happy 4th, Kim. Welcome on in. You've missed one pack. You've missed a whole pack. How dare you? John Elway. Jonathan Ogden. Deontay Banks for the G-Men. Now that would be a neat trick, Dylan. Jack Campbell on the My House for the Bengals. Joseph Burrow headed out to Wise. There you go, brother. That's a start. Kayvon Thibodeau and Derwin James Jr. Jack Campbell, Deontay Banks, and Jordan Battle. Okay. Andre Johnson, Chuba Hubbard, Jacorian Bennett. We got a Bear, Roshan Johnson. That's the Bear we want. Blue, Chicago Bear. Ooh, nice. Roshan Johnson. That is, I believe that's Matty B. Not bad, bro. We'll take that. George Pickens and Keyshawn Johnson. Little Roshan action. Tony Romo. Desmond Ritter. Christian Gonzalez for the Pats. Silver Hollow, another Chicago Bear. Tyson Bagent. On the primary colors. Daniel Jones and Sam Howell. Look at the Bears. Bears and Raiders dominating this mega. Just completely dominating this mega. Something's chilling, isn't it? I don't know if it's a case hit, but something's chilling in this mega, isn't it? I got me a feeling. Could be wrong, though. This could be one of those sideways megas. Like there's going to be two Rams in this pack, and it's going to be Stetson Bennett and Byron Young or something. I don't know. Let's see. Jair Alexander, Adam Thielen, Marvin Mims. Okay. Jake Bobo for the Seahawks. On the blue for the Pats. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Exactly what you would want, Arkham. That's a nice card. Devontae Smith and Dan Marino. Well, Christian Gonzalez action? Yes, sir. One pack to go. We'll get into some blasters. We'll do a couple blasters. There's a mem in this. Fred Taylor. Will Anderson Jr. for the Texans. For the Cardinals, Michael Wilson. Silver Hollow edition. For the Vikings, Chris Carter. Our patch is none other than Jaron Hall for the Vikings, Fred Warner, and Adam Vinatieri. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's do some blasters. Y'all awfully quiet in here. Y'all awfully quiet. Don't be scared. Looks like you don't want to open. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You did. I need to see something in the chat. Don't be sitting on hands in here, folks. DeMarcus Ware. Seti Tillman. Silver Hollow Green Bay Packer. Aaron Jones. And Keenan Allen. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? These are the Walmart ones. We're looking at the Walmart ones here. Kyler Murray. Excellent. For the Detroit Lions, Sam Laporta. Okay. I don't even know who got the Lions. Arkham did. Jalen Carter and Kenny Pickett. Samuel Laporta. Alec Pierce. Devin Witherspoon. My House Edition. Raider. Josh Jacobs. And DK Metcalf. There's always Raiders. There's always Raiders. There's actually always Seahawks, too. I'm just saying. Mr. Claypool. Followed up with the Cincinnati Bengal, Charlie Jones, Anton Harrison, and Rob Gronkowski. Christian Okoye. I'm trying, Kim. I'm trying. I wants to. Tavius Robinson, Silver Hollow Edition. Chris Godwin for the Bucks and Derrick Henry. Look, the Bucks never get any love at all. Why don't we give the Bucks a little Silver Hollow action? Because they never get any love ever. Happy 4th, Dylan. Yeah. Oh, we got a mem. Tommy DeVita for the G-Men. Byron Young for the Rams. And you can see it for the Dolphins headed out to James. Devin A-Chain Patch and Saquon Barkley. We getting memes now. We getting some memes. Give a little meme action. A little Tommy DeVito, too. Oh, yeah. Max Crosby. B-John finally made it to the party. Arkham. Behind that is a Silver Hollow Jaguar. Tank Bigsby. Okay. Followed up with a Joseph Klecko for the Jets. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. What'd I do here? Oh, that's right. Forgot about old boy here. Good old Byron Young. Okay. 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 Aiden Hutchinson. Followed with a Steeler. Broderick Jones, he always finds a way. Darius Davis always finds a way. And Eric Dickerson. People that you typically see, no matter if you only open 2 blasters or 20. Jared Goff. Brian Brees. We got another My House. This time for the Falcons. Bijan Robinson. I like it. Okay. That's going to Arkham and John Randall. It's a nice looking little Bijan there. I don't think I've pulled that yet. It's nice. I like it. They did a good job. Me either, Justin. Oh, what is this? A little Gabriel Davis. Followed up with, I thought I saw the bottom of it. Jordan Addison for the Minnesota Vikings. Headed to Deming 2D. It's a good looking card. Brian Branch and Kate Otten. Oh, yeah. Don't stop, Blaster. You're being a very good blaster. Give us a deed. Give us a deed. Holla at ya, boy. Holla at ya, boy. Gardner Minshew. Jair Brown for the Niners. Silver Hollow Edition. Gardner Minshew and Ricky Jackson. I think there's a mem in this one, too. Did we get a mem in everything so far? We've gotten a mem in every box. Mozzie Smith for the Dallas Cowboys. Pull from the back by Brian Robinson Jr. Joshua Downs for the Colts. It's a start Colts. And for the Niners, Deebo Samuel Jr. headed out to Arkham, I believe. Because Arkham got him a nice wider... these are a little bit bigger, aren't they? Let's use these. These are just a little bit bigger. You can get them in the regular penny sleeves, but you might as well just not fight it and put it in one of the bigger ones. It's not worth it. But hey, we take Debo's. I mean, I don't know what y'all take, but with got dog. We'll do another mega next. We're gonna do another mega. Mega. Oh boy. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Which one's I don't know, man. Maybe that one. I don't know. We're just going to open them. I don't know. We're just going to open them. It's not that one. Dorsey Levens. Thurman Thomas. Kalijah Cansey. Silver Hollow San Francisco 49er Jake Moody. I think I saw one of those last night. Tommy DeVito showing up today on the blue. Darrelle Revis and Doug Baldwin. Giants are one hurt quarterback away from this guy being their guy. I mean, I'm just saying. He's probably got a better shot than most. sports cards. Probably not much. Probably not much. Unless it's like Justin Tucker or something. Christian Kirk. Boomer Esiason. Tyler Lacey for the Jags. Excellent. Dalton Kincaid on the base. Diamond Hands for the Vikings. Justin Jefferson, Wes Welker, and Eddie George. Well, you know, kickers are some of the most sought-after players in the NFL. I mean, it just is. You're drawn to them. You're like, something about that kicker, man. I gotta follow this guy. He knows what he's doing. So, you know, there's a lot of people that do that, you know, because it's the kicker. Happy 4th, Spence. Bo Jackson, Cortland Sutton, Hendon Hooker, Derek Hall. Oh, yeah. Headed out to Arkham, Sam Laporta. Oh, yeah. I like that card. Aaron Rodgers and Khalil Mack. Oh, yeah. Holla. Kyle Pitts, DJ Moore, Dontavian Wicks for the Pack, Silver Hollow, yes sir, thank you very much. Headed out to Arkham is getting some D's right now. Silver Hollow, Anthony Richardson, that's certainly a we take those, take our time there. A lighted up, Bryce Young, he hadn't shown up yet either, and Mika Fitzpatrick and Chris Carter. Jeff, that leaves you, bro, and maybe the Titans with Will Levis. But the other two gents have just made an appearance in the same pack. And one of them is very nice. Arkham, are you in here, though? Because you kind of hit two nasty cards back to back. I mean, what? Okay. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. I grade it. If it was mine, I grade it. Jamal Charles, Jason Witten, Keaton Mitchell for the Ravens. We've got a Quentin Johnston sighting. On the blue, we've got Zach Charbonnet for the Seahawks. Always a little love for the Seahawks. Richard Sherman and Jamal Williams. We're getting decent players on these blues here. Not terrible. Okay. And our first Quentin Johnston of the day. Take that as well. We ain't mad at you. One pack of the second mega left. There are 2 megas and 4 blasters and a hobby left. Jeff Leonard's out there saying, Primo, don't you do it again, boy. We got a patch. Happy 4th, Chet. Andre Rison, Christian Watson, Charlie Jones showing up today, Tommy DeVito showing up today. Silver Hollow Edition, Fridge Perry headed out to Matty B. And on the rookie phenoms, Jackson Smith and Jigba with a Ryan Tannehill on the back. There you go, Seahawks. Holla at your boy. I believe that's Fred. Getting patches all over the place around here. Around yonder. The fridge. Tommy DeVito. And Charlie Jones. All right. We're going to do 2 Target blasters now. Target Especial. No Spark Sports cards. This is the only one today. I'll have Saturday mornings posted tomorrow evening. That'll be the next time I'll be on. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm on every Tuesday nights, Thursday night, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Gabriel Davis. Brandon Aubrey. Another My House. Anthony Richardson for the Colts. Very nice. And Derek Carr. Happy 4th. Happy 4th, everybody. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the Colts. Look at the Colts. Baby. Oh, baby. Onward, my friends. Gardner Minshew on the pink. Very nice. Jaden Reed, and it is clean and shiny and all that good stuff. We've got Nolan Smith for the Eagles and Harold Landry. Who got the pack? I know somebody. Ethan. Now we're talking, Ethan. There's a little love. It's a good-looking card, too. So you got a Wicks base. You got a Jaden Reed pink. We aren't mad at that. Happy 4th, David. Max Crosby. Lucas Van Ness. The Packers are showing up all over the place. For the Browns, Seti Tillman on the silver hollow and Ahmad Sauce Gardner. Not bad. Take a silver hollow Seti Tillman and a little Lucas Van Ness action. Did we get another mem? It's like everything's got a mem in it. Yep. Pete Skaronsk for the Titans. Mike Williams. Ty J. Spears for the Titans. And our patch is none other than Will Levis. First year. Fresh. Headed to Justin. We take those. Oh, we take those. First year, fresh. Pete. It would be a Pete and a Will together in one pack. The brethren. Aiden Hutchinson. Chamari Connor, Silver Hollow Seahawk, Richard Sherman, and Najee Harris. Odell Beckham Jr., pink. Jaguar, Parker Washington for the Jags. Bryce Young made another appearance. And Harrison Smith. That's 2 Bryce Youngs, Danny. That's 2 Bryce Youngs. But nothing, shiny. I'm shining. Let me see you gold shine. Joshua Allen, pink, Viking Jaron Hall, Zay, and Derek Carr. There you go, Sid. He decided to say, "What up, dog? I'm still out here." It may not be the downtown version, but I see you, dog. Appreciate the follow, JoJo. 31 people in here. If you like breaks and you're not following me, give me a follow. Otherwise, you might not ever see me again. All right, you heard it here. Michael Pittman Jr., Cam Smith. On the Retro Series, Brett Favre and Harold Landry. There you go. There you go, bro. The Packers are showing up. The Packers are showing up. Just need to get you a decent jet, and you'll be popping off, dog. What's up, Nate? Happy 4th. Justin Fields, pink. Luke Schoonmaker for the Cowboys. Hadn't gotten any Dallas, really, other than this gent. Brandon Aubrey and Ahmad Sauce Gardner. Little pink. Schoonmaker. Schoonmaker. Shamoonamaker. Okay. It's Patty Mahomes. Followed up with the Nolan Smith. Followed up with a silver hollow Rob Gronkowski. Definitely take that, Pats. And a Mike Williams for the Chargers. Go Arkham. Little Gronk action. Head chef, sous chef, chilling in the cut. One of the OGs. T. Suggs. Jaguar Britton Strange. Lucas Van Ness for the second time. And Najee Harris. Hey, where you going, Britton? I'll be trying to get some of that Strange, dog. For the Jags. 1 pack left, and then we'll open another mega. Alec Pierce. Tajay Spears. Silver Hollow Edition. Thurman Thomas. And Harrison Smith. There you go, Bills. There you go, brother. We'll take a little Thurman Thomas Silver Hollow action. Yes, we will. It's better than not getting one. That's what I say. That's what I always say. Happy 4th, Brian. Happy 4th. And we got a little Tajay Spears action. Let's get into one of those other megas up there. All the way up there. Let's bring them down here so I don't have to be trying to biggie boy this stuff. We're gonna put Joe Boo up here for good measure. We're gonna put Joe Boo up here for good measure. Oh. Joe Boo. There you go. Thanks, bro. All right. Mega time. Appreciate the likes. Should be 6 packs, I believe. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Josh Jacobs. Russell Wilson. Brian Brees. Silver Hollow. Tommy DeVito all over the place. Hidden Potential. Bryce Young. Mike Williams and Najee Harris. Old Tommy. Mr. DeVita himself. Mark Andrews. Derek Stingley Jr. Brian Branch for the Lions. Jair Brown. We got a blue here. What we got? Who that? For the Vikings, Mekhi Blackman, Harrison Smith, and Tyler Lockett. Brian Branch. And Jair. Travis Etienne, Samuel Hubbard, Darius Davis, Silver Hollow. Wow. Samuel Laporta. That's nasty, Arkham. Got two gradable ones there. Fahoko on the blue for the Cowboys. Darrell Revis and Doug Baldwin. Buda Baker, Barry Sanders, Miles Murphy, Jalen Hyatt for the G-Men. On the diamond hands for the Chiefs, Travis Kelce, Oka, Wes Welker, and Eddie George. Well, Travis Kelce action? Still haven't seen a CJ. Still haven't seen a Puka. I know you didn't need to hear that, Jeff Leonard, because you're sitting here watching it. But somebody had to say it. Mark Brunell, Jamar Chase, Jahmyr Gibbs on the base. Jackson Smith on the base. On the blue, Darnell Washington for the Steelers. That's another Arkham team. Aaron Rodgers and Khalil Mack. Arkham's putting in work. Arkham is putting in work. CJ hasn't made an appearance in... This is the third break. He's got to be somewhere. He's got to be. Where is he? Did he just stop? Is he just chilling somewhere? He's in this pack right here. It's going to be the patch. It's going to be a CJ Stroud patch. Luke Kuechly, Joshua Downs, Bijan Robinson, Silver Hollow Edition, Mike Strahan, and it's Zach Charbonnet for the Seahawks, Michael Thomas, and Treylon Burks. Can you hear me? It did. It did. It was like, maybe. Whoa. This is a good, still a good pack, though. We're going to open those other two blasters, then Mega, then Hobby. Mega, then Hobby. Blasters, Hobby, Mega, then Hobby. Blasters, Mega, then Hobby. And I'll do a recap at the end for anybody that might have came in here a little bit later. This weekend, definitely going to do Obsidian again because that was really, really good to us. And some other stuff. I've got some other stuff too. And Optic. But I got some more Obsidian because it was very, very good. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The end of the blasters is right here, right now. 1 Walmart, 1 Target. Dan Hampton. Derek Hall. For the Ravens, rookie recruit, Zay Flowers. It's clean. It's fresh. It's going to Sid. Dan Marino. Isaiah Pacheco. On the pink for the Denver Broncos, Drew Sanders, Dontavian Wicks for the second time, and Fred Warner. If I pull another one of those, like, that's going to be wild if that's who pops out. If it happens. Emmitt Smith, Keaton Mitchell, Silver Hollow Edition for the Pack, Brett Favre, and Adam Vinatieri. Brett Favre showing up in here. Go away, Brett. I don't like you, Brett. Lions fans, you beat us up bad, man. You beat us up bad, man. You no fair. No fair. Zach Ertz. Pink Steeler Joey Porter Jr. I don't know if you had the pink one yet, but now you do. Quentin Johnston again, and Mike Allstott. Got you a nice little collection of Joey Porter Jr.'s now. That's for sure. A little rainbow. Brett Favre, Charlie Jones, Silver Hollow Charlie Jones, and Dexter Lawrence. Josh Allen. It's finally a Texan. Tank Dell on the pink. Tommy DeVita again, and Austin Eckler. At least somebody from the clan, the crew showed up. Tank Dell. Still no CJ though. Last blaster. This is Walmart. Terrell Suggs. For the Steelers, Darnell Washington, Byron Young, and Deebo Samuel. Alec Pierce. Seti Tillman. We got a Silver Hollow Lion. Jared Goff and TJ Hawkinson. The $1 Million Man, Jared Goff. Ted DiBiase. Chase Claypool. Ha 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 ha. And you didn't think. It had to be. It had to be. Let's see it, though. Got a little bit of action right there, bro, but you can probably handle that. Well, at least he showed up. Thank goodness. Jalen Carter and Breece Hall. It's a CJ. The Babe Watchers. I don't even know if Jeff's in here. He's probably like, it's never going to happen, man. Christian Okoye. Puka showing up. Look at that. Back-to-back packs. Samuel Laporta on the Silver Hollow again, bro. I'm sorry. You got two of them. You got to give me one. I'm sorry. And Cam Akers. Samuel Laporta showing up today. Congrats, bro. That's nasty. We got 2 packs left in this blaster. A mega and a hobby. I don't know if we're going to get a case hit today or not. You think we would have hit one already, but I guess the chance is still there. DeMarcus Ware. Clayton Tune, Kalijah Kancey, and Brandon Ayuk. kind of why I put the Vivid in there. Because if we don't get a case hit, at least there's a chance to get something a little, you know, upper echelon. A little auto by somebody that you might want. Doesn't mean it's in there either. Patrick Mahomes. Tavis Robinson. For the Rams, back-to-back Puka Nakua's rookie recruits and Matt Stafford. There you go, Matty B. He at least showed up a little bit. He didn't just be like, I'm out, dog. I think he got the Rams. Yeah, he did. All right. This Mega's our last chance at a DT. That's our last chance at a DT. Or something. Doesn't have to be a DT. It could be something else. But this is our last chance at it. Good luck, everybody. Happy 4th. Give us a deed, Joe Boo. Come on, one deed. All I need is one deed, one deed. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And Meg, y'all be at the ready for the Vivid. There's probably going to be somebody in there. I don't even know who it is. Thurman Thomas. Christian Kirk. Parker Washington for the Jags. Silver Hollow again. Aiden O'Connell for Matty B. On the blue, very nice Denver. Marvin Mims, Doug Baldwin, and Wes Welker. Good start. Good start to the final Mega. I like it. Boomer Esiason, Kyle Pitts, Dorian Williams, Devin A-Chain for the Dolphins. On the chain reaction, Brock Purdy for the Niners. Okay. Eddie George and Aaron Rodgers. A little Brock Purdy and A-Chain. It's a good pack. Don't stop. Don't stop right there. Keep going. Keep going. We take Purdy's. We take A-Chains. Do not stop there, okay? Okay. 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 DJ Moore. Jamal Charles, Devin Witherspoon. Anton Harrison on the blue. Jacob Bobo for the Seahawks. Khalil Mack and Minkah Fitzpatrick. A little Bobo action. Well, appreciate y'all hopping in. Happy 4th, everybody. I hope there's something in here, but you never. That's the whole point. Jason Witten. Andre Rison, Tavius Robinson, Silver Hollow, Tyson Bagent just showing up and showing out. Hendon Hooker on the rookie recruits, Chris Carter and Richard Sherman. Downtown Charlie Brown. Head to the Instas. We got 2 packs left. Christian Watson, Micah Hyde, Byron Young just endlessly showing up. Seti Tillman. That's okay. Blue Will Anderson, Jamal Williams, and Ryan Tannehill. Well, bro, Jeff, it turned out much better than the last one. You're covered. That's not a question. But we've got 1 pack left, and we've got another Vivid hobby to get into. So let's see. Probably a mem in here. Reggie Wayne, Jalen Carter, Puka Nakua on the base. That's 2 of those. Silver Hollow, Xavier Howard for the Dolphins, Kendre Miller for the Saints. There you go, Saints. You hadn't gotten much love. Frank, I'm glad you got that. It's probably the card you would want, really, other than like a Silver Hollow version of them or something. Tua Tagovailoa and DK Metcalf. Clax, probably. I don't know yet. It probably yes. How about I'll say this: if I don't do it this weekend, it'll definitely happen next weekend. I don't want to. I've got some stuff on the way, and I want to make it as good as I can for you guys, specifically with one of these that I'm getting in. But I have what I need to do it. I just don't know if I want to do it before I get that. So it'll either be this weekend or next weekend for sure. No doubt. Vivid Football 2023. I might need somebody's help here if somebody's in here and I don't know who they are. But 5 autograph cards. These have been very good to us in the past. We're going to see what pops off here. Maybe. Okay. So it's always got this silly divider in it. Let me get that out without trying to reveal the cards because it's always... All right. It's fighting me. I don't want to see it, and I don't want y'all to see it, so give me a second. All right. It's out. I want to be surprised, too. Put the little Jobu sweat card, thanks to Slabs and Grabs and Meg. All right. That is an empty box. So you got to be primo to get custom one-on-ones around here, dog. You know what I mean? All right, our first card, folks. Good luck. And like I said, it might be somebody I don't know, but I hope it is somebody we know. Mozzie Smith for the Dallas Cowboys. Out of 10 is how we started out. A little love for Dallas. Headed out to Fred. Fred didn't do super great in this, so I'm glad he got a little bit of an auto action, even though it's a lineman. All right, we start out with a Mozzie Smith. Which direction is this going? Not sure who that is. Oh, Tank Dell on the auto. Purple cracked ice, 2 out of 2. Yeah, Texans got taken care of today. It'd been 2 whole breaks without seeing anything for them. That's nice. 2 out of 2, Tank Dell for the Texans. Not bad, bro. Not bad. You did all right. But we're not done yet. Technicolor. Who's that gent? Jordan Battle. I believe that's Bengals. 1 out of 6. That would be Wise. But I'm pretty sure Jordan Battle is the Bengals, and it's a nice-looking card on the white. 1 out of 6. Jordan Battle. And we've got 2 cards left. I don't know. This might have... Sometimes they have multiple teams on them, but I think it's going this way. Anais Smith. And Evan Stewart. I don't know, you guys. I need help with this one. 3 out of 6. Make sure both of them aren't in the league. I guess I could do it too. Let's do. I see you, bro. I don't know if both of them guys didn't get drafted or not. Are you certain? Are you positive? Are you positive both these gents aren't in the league? Evan Stewart and Anais Smith. 3 out of 6. We're going nil for now. I always check anyways because I always forget. I'm like, well, who was they on? And I always have to look it up when I'm sorting. So I'll look it up after this last card, actually. I think I know who that is. Jackson Smith and Jigba to end it out. 8 out of 9 auto. XR rookie Leaf for the Seahawks, headed out to Fred. Fred gets his little pieces in, doesn't he? He sure does. And I've got one more of those. I was fortunate enough to find those. I have one more of those we'll do in one of the breaks this weekend. So there will be another Vivid in it. I'm just going to check this little card out real quick so I don't have to like end up explaining something later. I'm just going to look them up right now. And then I'll do a recap. And if y'all dip out, happy 4th, everybody. I'll see you Saturday morning. Thank you for getting in. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Be responsible now. Don't be a bunch of fiends out there. Texas A&M and Evan Stewart is Texas A&M. That is a nil card. That's a nasty nil card, actually. Smith plays for the Eagles. He does. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Yes, he sure does. You're right. I'm sorry. It said Texas A&M. Yes, he does. He plays for the Eagles. And Evan Stewart, let me double check him. Good call, brother. Good call. Evan Smith is still in college, it looks like, to transfer. So the Eagles are... Who got the Eagles? CJS, and the nil is Matty B. Matty, are you still with me here, bro? Because I'm going to make this about as simple as I can. So who's a team that you got, Matt? You got the Rams. We'll do that. Hey, bro. Hey, professional. We no DTs today. You got the Rams, and then CJ got the Eagles. There it is. CJ, we're going to figure it out this way. So you got the Eagles. Matt got the Rams. I don't have a nil card. But we're going to do this. We're going to do a little bit of this, and then I don't want you guys already saw where they were at. So let's do a little bit of this, do a little bit of this, do a little bit of this. Which one is it? Who'd it be? Where'd it go? Who'd it be? Who'd it be? Who'd it be? Who dat? 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 Try to get up in my crew. All right. I need a professional. I need a unbiased party to pick this. So CJ, whichever one we flip, that's how we're going to decide. So left or right, professional. Professional is not in this break, and he is deciding your fate. Good luck, CJ. Good luck, Matty B. And it is Matty B. It is Matty B with the Rams. Sorry, brother. But don't worry, I always throw in extras anyway, so you won't be mad. But we need to do a restart, or a recap, not a restart. We had some good cards though. No downtowns or case hits, but we had some good cards. Happy 4th, everybody. Again, I'll be back on Saturday morning. I'll post tomorrow, or Saturday morning's break tomorrow evening after work. I appreciate that, bro. And the plan is to do some Primo packs this weekend, but I don't know, I'm definitely going to do the breaks, but I don't know if I'm going to have time to do it. So this is what I'm going to say about the Primo packs. It will either be this weekend or it will be next weekend. And just being honest, it kind of feels like it's leaning towards next weekend. But we'll see. We'll see. That stuff takes time. You got to comp everything. You got to make sure it's fair as you can, so it takes a little bit of time. All right, recap. Jaden Reed, Tommy DeVita, Zay Flowers, Jordan Battle auto for the Bengals out of 6. Tank Dell auto out of 2. Will Anderson blue hyper. Brock Purdy, Kendre Miller patch. Tank Dell pink. Marvin Mims blue, very nice. Joey Porter Jr., Jalen Hyatt, Josh Downs, Bijan Robinson, and Silver Hollow Michael Strahan. We had quite a few patches. Zach Charbonnet, Brett Favre, Rob Gronkowski, Brett Favre, Bryce Young, Jared Goof, Darnell Washington, Fahoko, Mekhi Blackman, Bryce Young, Nolan Smith, Jackson Smith and Jigba patch, Hendon Hooker, Dontavian Wicks, Mozzie Smith auto for the Cowboys 6 out of 10. Hendon Hooker, Jake Bobo, Devin Achane, Aiden O'Connell, Puka Nakua, Jackson Smith in Jigba 8 out of 9. Anaya Smith and Evan Stewart, that ended up going to the nil spot. We did the cards, and Anais is in the league. Evan is not. It ended up going to the nil spot. Jahmyr Gibbs, Jackson Smith and Jigba, Thurman Thomas, Luke Schoonmaker, Zay Flowers, Parker Washington, Richard Sherman, Seti Tillman, Dalton Kincaid, Travis Kelce, Diamond Hands, My House, Josh Jacobs, Christian Gonzalez, Blue, Roshan Johnson. I like that card. Y'all might be like, what's he doing? Why does he like Roshan? I'm telling you right now. Aiden O'Connell, Christian Gonzalez, that's another good one. My House, Joe Burrow, Jacorian Bennett, Samuel Laporta, take that for days. Chris Carter, Tyson Badgett, Jalen Carter, Light It Up, Bryce Young, Josh Downs, Chris Godwin, Quentin Johnston, Bijan Robinson, Tank Bigsby, Justin Jefferson, Anthony Richardson on the My House, Zach Charbonnet, blue, Devin Achane, patch, CJ Stroud, holla at your boy, Silver Hollow, Anthony Richardson, My House, Bijan Robinson, very nice patch, Debo Samuel style, Silver Hollow, Sam Laporta, Will Levis, first year fresh, blue, Sam Laporta, and a purple shock, Jordan Addison, to end it out. No case hits, but some definitely good hits. Thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate each and every one of you. Like I said, I'll be on Saturday morning. The break will be uploaded tomorrow evening after work, and we'll see what we can pop off with. It's definitely going to have Obsidian in it, though. It was so good last weekend, I couldn't deny it again. So everybody enjoy the rest of your 4th. It's silver. Yeah, a deed, a true deed. Got some good deeds in that break. Wish we would have got a case hit, but still, good cards. Thank you, everybody. I will see you before you know it. Friday, the last day of the week, until we get to some more gold. Have a good night, everybody.